Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the essentials. Make sure your iPhone supports live photos. Most models from iPhone 6 is onward due. Once done, open a trusted wallpaper or astronomy app and download a true live photo of Earth. You need the moving frames, not a video or GIF. Save that live photo to your camera roll and grant the app photos permission if it asks. This step guarantees you have the correct file type so the phone can animate it on the lock screen. Now you'll turn that live photo into the lock screen wallpaper. Open the photo, tap Share and choose Use as Wallpaper. Make sure the live photo toggle is on. This is what enables animation. Pinch to scale and drag to position Earth exactly where you want it. The phone crops to 16:9 or similar ratios, so frame carefully. After you set it, tap Set and choose Lock Screen. When done, press and hold the lock screen to see the live motion. That confirms everything worked. Finish by testing the effect. Lock the phone, then perform a firm press or long press on the lock screen. Your Earth live photo should animate. If it stays static, make sure the live photo option was enabled when you set the wallpaper. Then check system settings. Low power mode or reduce motion can prevent animation. Turn them off temporarily and try again. If issues continue, restart the iPhone and reapply the live photo as wallpaper. Often a quick reset clears permissions or cache hiccups and restores motion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.